Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Melin's Perception. I welcome you all, and today I came up with another unboxing video, and this is a t-shirt for my son. He's 5 years old and I have bought it from Flipkart, and today I'm going to unbox it. It is actually the combo offer. I got it for 700 and I got 6 t-shirts, 5 or 6 t-shirts. We are going to see after the unboxing of this. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon and like it and share to your friends. And if you have anything in your mind, please put in comment section. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. Packaging, very simple packaging, and here is the t-shirts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, there is a 5 t-shirts, and you can say that the name of the company is a Southtree company. And here is something mentioned about the price. Actually, MRP is very high, and it is a boys round neck half sleeve t-shirts, and it is a wing clothing company. Southtree, 5 to 6 years. And here is the address of that company, and here are some things written. So let me take it off. So this is the first t-shirt, and the packaging is very good, you can see. Let me take it out and show you the t-shirt. So actually this t-shirt is made by the cotton. Yes, the quality is very good. Cotton t-shirt actually. Let me take the another. This is another t-shirt. And this is also very cool t-shirt. In cotton. Third t-shirt is the green color. The first is blue, black, and now the green. Branded company, Southtree company. So it is also super t-shirt, no problem. Last 2 t-shirts are, one is the gray colors and the second one is the orange color. So these are the very nice t-shirt, quality is very good. So first I'm going to wear it to my son and then see how he looks, and then I will also make some comments. So thank you very much for watching my this video, and please again I appeal you to subscribe my channel and like it, because your likes are very important to grow my channel. Thank you very much.